All right, I'm going to try putting on Northmate's new shield on my German Shepherd, and let's see how well she responds. Okay, hang on a second there. Wait. Stop. Put your foot in there, just like that. Hold on. What a good girl. Another foot in, just like that. What a good puppy. And then we got to zip you up. Wag your tail. Good dog. So this is a great new jacket by Northmate, and it's built for cold weather. Today I'm in Connecticut, and it's pretty comfortable here. It's a little rainy, but let's see how Uma does. By the way, what a great fit. This is the first time I've put it on any dog. It's got this great peel back pouch here that you can put a doggy poo bag in, or your credit cards or your keys. Look at that nice fit. Here I can snug these lines up for a really custom fit. And I can also pull this line if I had a male dog, and it shortens it in the underbelly. She looks like she likes it. You ready to go outside? You like your new jacket? All right. Out you go. And there she is in her beautiful new Northmate jacket. And these Northmate, same folks that created last year's #1 product at Global, and that was the green slow feeder. As you can see, she's very comfortable. And see the white tag on the back? There's a little insignia there that suggests you can cut that to size. You'll see here. You can cut this, pull it tighter, and make it really custom for the dog. It's a beautiful day here in Connecticut. I like the way it fits her quite well. She's able to eliminate in it with no issue. Ready, Uma? Good girl. Look at that beautiful jacket from Northmate. What will they come up with next? I'm going to fix this zipper here for you. This just snaps right here into place. This is a really well-made jacket. I would say that if North Face were to create a jacket, this would be the sort of quality they'd put together. And the good folks at Northmate, they really know what they're doing when it comes to great engineering. I can custom adjust the neckline here, and you can also double clasp these 2 D-rings to a leash. Really well built. And again, this is Uma's first time wearing it, and you can tell she's very comfortable in it. Till next time. Uma, say goodbye.